Welcome to the Unbox Matrix. Today we are unboxing a very smart and affordable device for your home. It's a video doorbell from TAPO. It's TAPO TD21. On the box, TAPO shows 180 days battery life, person detection, smartphone alerts, two-way audio, color night vision, supports 2K live view. I can't wait to unbox it. Let's see what's inside. It has got a nice clean packaging. Inside the box we have got a quick start user guide. This doorbell comes with a chime that you can place inside your house. Here comes the TAPO TD21 Video Doorbell. It has a simple and modern look, good for any front door. Next comes the mounting plate, and then we got the screws. Here is the Type-C charging cable used to charge the device. It comes with the ultra-wide camera, ring button and the motion sensor. At the back we have got a sync button or also reset button. At the bottom you can see a charging slot and a SD card slot. Left side has a small speaker. Let's talk about its special features that makes it more affordable and smart. The battery is huge compared to other brands. It can run for up to 180 days. Got a nice and clean wider view. It supports both local and cloud storage. It also comes with a human and motion detection. It also supports Alexa and Google Home. Now we will do the complete setup. Long press the reset button and it will turn on. You will see a blinking red and green light, which means it is ready to pair. You will have to download the TAPO mobile app. Just go to the TAPO application on your phone and log in. If you haven't signed up, sign up first. Then it will take you to the home page. Go to the plus sign and at the top right corner and add your device. Click doorbells and select TD21 model. We have already turned on our bell, so the light blinks red and green. Just press continue. Now go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect with TAPO doorbell here. Click on I'm already connected and it will take you to the next page. Choose the Wi-Fi you are using here and then enter the password for that. Now click next and it will connect the doorbell with your Wi-Fi network. Wait for a few minutes. On this page, enter the name you want for your device. I am naming it My Sweet Home. Now click on Custom and select the location and icon for your doorbell. I will be using a SD card for storage, so let's see how to install it. Just unscrew the lid and insert the micro SD card in the right way, as I am showing you in this video. You can extend it up to 512 GB or you can buy cloud storage, but I would prefer local storage than spending on cloud. Follow the given steps and you are good to go. Just install it on the door you prefer. Follow these steps to install it on your door. Now pair it with your chime. Click on pair with chime and then add new chime. The light on the chime should blink green and red. Just follow few simple steps. It would again take you to the Wi-Fi page and choose your network and press connect. Now the chime will get connected to your Wi-Fi router too, and also the doorbell. Name the chime and that's it. You are done. Use the application to watch recordings. Overall, I would say go for it. It's super affordable. You can get it under $50. It has more features than any other doorbells in this price range. If you're thinking of buying one, buy it from my link in the description. Thanks for watching the Unbox Matrix. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next one.